Welcome guys. This is Redmi A3. Apply heat on back cover of the phone. Make space with blade between back cover and body. Remove back cover with X-ray or with any plastic paper. Remove all the screw. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove inner body. Do not damage power button flex while removing. Disconnect flex connector. Disconnect battery connector. Disconnect flex connector. Disconnect antenna wire from charging board. Remove pull-out charging port board. Install charging port board in the body. Connect antenna wire. Connect flex connector. Connect power button flex connector to the main board. Install inner body. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Put back all the screw. Apply gum around back cover of the phone. Install back cover of the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Thank you for watching.